Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Sri and today with me is JB Roland and he's here to share his experience. Over to you, JB.
I'm JB Roland, I'm 39 years old. I consult with, I've been consulting with Sri for about 12 months now and seen some great improvement in my life and positivity.
So what's the reason you reached out to me?
I relocated to Dubai basically 18 months ago.
Okay.
And I felt that I needed help in terms of navigating my relocation and all the challenges that come in my couple life, etc. And so I also do couple therapy with my wife Candice.
So what is it that has improved in your relationship since then?
I think it's the mutual understanding.
Okay.
Understanding the dynamics of what is going on, in terms of energy, mindset in our us as individuals, and then also like the dynamics going on in the couple, and getting to understand our compatibility, our strength, support systems, and things like that.
Okay. So what is that one thing you want to leave our audience with today?
Well, I'm someone who believes in, I would say, unconventional methods, medicines, and things like that. I've always been fascinated by martial arts. I did martial arts for 20 years, etc. So I'm interested in that kind of approach. And, the one thing that I found very valuable is to be open to unconventional methodologies, whether it's to do with hypnosis, or whether it's to do with numerology, or whether it's to do with things like that. For me, it's just fantastic because it gives me a map, a grid, a reading grid for situations, and I've just found it to be very useful.
Thank you, JB. Thanks for your amazing words of wisdom here right now. And I'm so happy that you chose me in this journey. Forever grateful.
Thank you.